Today we are going to learn about embed tag in HTML. Embed tag can be used to insert audio, video, and image. We can insert all the three things without defining it individually. It works 3 in 1. Let's do it practically. First, we need to write basic structure of HTML. You need to write the file name inside the src. Here I had added an image with the help of embed tag. You can add video and audio same like this. It is very easy to insert audio and video with embed tag. The additional benefit of embed tag is that we don't need to write controls attribute like audio and video tag. Most of the people uses embed tag because it is easy and time saving, so you can also use it for saving time. Thanks for watching the video. Please do subscribe.